You are watching Pasher Barir Ranna, recipes from the neighbor's kitchen.
বাড়ির কাছে আর শ্রীনগর সেথা পড়শি বসত করে এখন পড়শি বসত করে একদিনও না
This is chili liver with Doma Wang.
Chili liver, my favorite. When we planned to do this was not in the plan at all. And then Sachiko Seth, who doesn't even eat liver, comes up with this, Mama, do a liver, do the chili liver. You do it so well. Because I love to eat it, I said, okay, let's make it. I get to eat it too. So this is a chatpat recipe. When you don't have time, this is what you must do. How long does it take? Like literally 5 minutes to cook the entire thing. Chili liver, so you need liver. So I usually make it with chicken liver because it's so easy to cook. It cooks so fast, no fuss, nothing. Take the liver, clean it, and slice it. Finely slice it. When the oil is hot, you put in your sliced liver, not your liver, sorry, chicken liver. And you nicely fry it. Fry it a bit, just that, the bloody color should go away and the color should change. Make sure you don't overcook it because you don't want that overcooked texture, that grainy texture. While frying the liver, just sprinkle some salt and pepper. Remove it from the pan, keep it aside. So in your pan, you add some chopped onions, some green chilies, and the crushed garlic. You fry it for a bit. Sometimes, I'll give you another hack. If you are too lazy to wash another pan, when you fry the liver, just push it to one side of the pan. Then do the rest of the frying in the other side, in the middle. Then mix it together. In that way, you don't have two pans to wash. You can just do it in one. So then you put in the fried liver. Fry it for a bit, add some soy sauce, add some salt, and then just mix it around. And then comes my favorite part. Add the tomatoes, just cook it for a minute, and garnish with sliced spring onions. So chili liver, like I said, is chatpat khana. When you have nothing at home, you just make this. I like it with govind bhog rice. That's beautiful. And if you want, you can also have it with toast. Just put it over toast and have it, or just toast aram curry. You can just put it. It's again very versatile and very easy. 5-minute recipe.
The Pasher Barir Ranna series is made possible by the support of our patrons at Bong Eats Adda. For long, we have wanted to produce a series that documents not just our family recipes, but those of other families and communities living in West Bengal. If you have watched and loved the episodes of Pasher Barir Ranna featuring Rahul, Salma, Domadi, and more new guests are coming up soon, know that this series could come into existence only because of the wonderful patrons of our community. Their support allows us to have a budget to collaborate with guests, commission music by local artists we love, and produce videos of the best quality we can, all without having to worry about YouTube upload cycles, algorithms, views, and revenue. If you'd like to support this series too, you can become a patron by going to the link in the description.